Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kavita. I am radiation oncologist. I have completed my residency in 2020 and I am doing senior residency. As most of you who have come from Instagram know that I've just cleared my step 1 and in the process of step 2, and I'm planning for a fellowship in US, so I'm currently preparing for that. Now, that being said, I wanted to talk about this time when the counseling period is ongoing and you guys are picking up various colleges, and sometimes it can be overwhelming, especially when you have a fixed field or a fixed college and a fixed state in your mind that I want to do this field, I want to do medicine only from Delhi, or I want to do orthopedics only from Bangalore. So, and sometimes things might not work out the way like you want them to, or sometimes the thing might not seem to work out, but actually they're for your good. So I just would share my story because although I had always interest in oncology, but I never knew before picking that I'll be picking it. So sometimes even there can be sweet surprises because I can't thank the universe enough that I picked this field, and each and every day I'm grateful. So you should always be open to the new surprises and keep a little bit of space that if you don't get what you want strictly, then be little open to the unexpected things or destination that you might land up into. Of course, if you're getting what you wanted, then it is like more than happy, then you'll be more than happy. But if it does not happen that way, then trust in the process and trust in the timing, and eventually everything works out well. Giving you from my personal experience that most of the time, even if we are confused initially, eventually either we start liking the field, or we just deviate, or we just change our paths after certain experience, but eventually we end up on the right path. So have that faith and trust the process. So what happened with me when I was preparing for the Neet exam? Initially, after dropping 1 year, I was getting community medicine, and I always wanted to pick something clinical. I was not very strict with what I wanted, but I wanted something clinical. I had that wish for the patient interaction. But after 1 year of drop, I was so frustrated and so done with the preparation and the study thing, like studying 12 to 15 hours a day. I was just done with it. I told my parents I'm not dropping again. I told my friends, I took everything to the counseling. But at the moment, I was sitting in the hall and all the faculty were looking at me to get the answer. Like, beta, what do you want to pick? And for one whole minute, I was silent. And then the voice came inside of me, and I said, I'll drop. So I didn't pick the community medicine that time. And that was the one example that led me to believe that even the right moment before something, you have to take the decision. Even if that moment you're confused, just believe in the timing, because when the moment comes and you have to take the decision, you just know. You just have to sit and, in peace, and just focus on yourself and your breathing. It's sort of meditation process, but yeah, when you're completely aligned with your thoughts, the right decision just walks into your mind. So that is what happened with me. So I took the drop again, and then I got radiation oncology, which I'm like more than happy to pick. But again, that was also not decided even till the last date. But since I had interest in oncology, so obviously I was little bit favored towards it, and everything worked out well. So just wanted to share that even if you're feeling confused about the city, about the state, just take a diary and write down what are the things that you want, what are the feelings that you want from your field. Just for me, if it was me like sitting for the counseling this year, then I'll be writing that I want to stay near Delhi, near my parents. I want to do something clinical. I want a good salary. and I want a good environment, like where the people are friendly. So I'll search for the search for the branches or fields who are more aligned with what I want to do. So it does not necessarily mean that you have to be sure that you want to pick radiation, you want to pick medicine, but sometimes it's just the feeling and it's just the satisfaction what you want from the field, that you want a light field and what are the options you have in the light field, or you want a workload field like surgery or pediatrics or medicine. So like even if you are not completely sure about one field, so at least you'll have few options. So try just making out the list so that even you'll be clear with what you want. With this, signing off, and all the best guys, and whatever is happening, just see the positive outcome and it will all work out for the best. Comment and like this video, and if you want to see more video, just tell me in comments. Till then, take care. Bye bye.